all of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, would like to thank you for watching our videos, liking the videos, and sharing and leaving in your comments and your suggestions. A warm welcome to Goyal sir. Sir, pranam.
Namaskar.
So what are we going to learn from you today?
Now, as we all know, that Anuradha ji takes out something new out of me
Right.
every time she talks. So she had asked me to give some tips about the matchmaking.
Right.
And I remembered a very old tip given somewhere, because all these traditional pundits, they use some of these methods, and that was lying as a seed in my mind, and today it has come out. The watering was done by Anuradha ji, and now it has come out.
Thank you, sir.
In matching, I have discussed many methods in the book and otherwise also in the seminars,
Right, sir.
like Dasha at birth, 7th Lord, Lagna Lord of Navamsha, 4th house of Navamsha, 2nd house of Navamsha. What are the importances? But the major problem these days, you see, sometime the couple, they are carrying on their marriage
Yes.
in spite of difference of opinions also.
And no affection. Actually, the marriage is such,
Yeah.
there is no marriage. Huh.
Yeah, but still it goes on. So in Hindi we say pulling on or nibha rahe hain.
Ji, sir.
So how to see that nibhana? That tip I am going to give today. And that is seen from the placement of Jupiter in Navamsha chart.
Okay, sir.
So we see the dispositor of Jupiter in Navamsha.
Right.
That dispositor becomes the landlord of Jupiter.
Right.
Next point, we check whether this dispositor is a friend or a neutral or an enemy of Lagna Lord of Navamsha. See, Navamsha Lagna Lord is the main factor how he controls you in marriage matters and dharmic matters. And if your landlord, Jupiter's landlord, is an enemy of the Lagna Lord of divine, then you are living in an enemy house. First we see that. Then we see the mutual relation of Jupiter with its dispositor. Relation with its landlord.
Yes, yes.
And the condition of the landlord. Condition of the dispositor.
Right.
If it is all bad, then that person cannot pull on the marriage. Marriage may break or not break. That is seen differently. That we see from the Mangalya house of Navamsha.
Right.
But whether you will be pulling on or not. Sometimes you see they are not even staying together.
Yeah.
And but marriage is not broken. And there is no contact, no relation.
Right.
But still the marriage is pulling on.
Right. Yeah.
So that is seen in the individual horoscope. Means the Navamsha.
Right.
So we will only check these 3 points. Who is the dispositor? How he is with Jupiter? How he is with Lagna Lord of Navamsha? And what is the condition of the dispositor? This will decide the issue and you will understand.
Right.
Yes. Now you can take any chart.
Before we take a chart, we would like to inform you that we have a 2-day webinar coming up with Sir on Navamsh. So if you are interested, you can log into our website and you can register right from there, or you can also contact us on our WhatsApp number given below. So, so this is the chart of the husband.
Husband. No, I repeat the rules.
Right, sir.
Jupiter dispositor is Sun.
Right.
Sun is the Lagna Lord itself.
Right.
Dispositor is Sun. Relation of Sun with Lagna Lord is
Right.
same. They are sitting opposite, aspecting each other.
Right.
Sun is with Mercury and Moon.
Right.
Moon is a friend.
Right.
Mercury strictly is not a friend, it is a neutral to Sun.
Right.
But one thing, Sun is getting, there are two planets each in the 6th and 8th house from Sun. So this is I call aspect kartari. Okay.
Right.
So Rahu Mars, they are gone to 2nd house from Sun, aspecting that. Saturn, Venus aspecting. Now, Saturn and Venus both are in direct motion. They are going towards Sun.
Right.
Here, Mars is in direct motion. It is not going towards Sun, but only Rahu and Ketu, they are going towards Sun. So, the marriage will pull. There will be normal problems which occurs in the marriage, but the marriage will carry on. Now you can take the chart of wife, I think.
Right, so this is the chart of the wife.
Okay. Here also again same method. Check Jupiter. Jupiter is in the sign of Venus. Venus is not friendly with Lagna Lord. Okay. Moon consider it neutral, but Venus do not consider Moon as a friend. Okay, and then this Venus is aspected by Saturn, right?
Right.
So Saturn aspect is not very good, but Jupiter and Venus combination, the marriage will pull on. Marriage will not break.
So this couple has been living a good married life for the last 25 plus years.
Yes. Otherwise, people will say Rahu Ketu X is in Navamsha, Sun sitting there, not happy marriage. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. But there are other methods that you see and you get the answer. Okay.
So now we take the chart of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, and his wife, Mrs. Kamala Nehru.
So first, let us take Jawaharlal ji.
Sir.
Very beautifully selected chart. Now you see Jupiter.
Right, sir.
Jupiter's dispositor is Sun.
Yes, sir.
Relation of Sun with Saturn.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Right, sir.
Not a good relation. placement of Sun and Jupiter
212.
in 212 axis, condition of dispositor,
On Rahu Ketu.
that is Sun, Rahu Ketu axis with Saturn,
All enemies.
all enemies, and is not able to carry on the marriage.
Right.
Instead of saying carry on the marriage, not interested in keeping the marriage going on.
Right.
Because dispositor is spoiled.
Right.
Now see Kamala Nehru, do we have the same condition? Here, Jupiter is in own sign in Navamsha, a great thing. Jupiter is the dispositor of itself. Now see, relation with Lagna Lord. He is a friend,
Right.
but sitting 6-8 to each other.
Right.
That is the problem. She is trying to carry on the marriage. There is no negative aspect on Jupiter.
Right.
But the Lagna Lord is not allowing it. It is in a bad position. Now Jupiter is the owner also and the tenant also.
Right.
Living in a own house. So you have to live in own house. You are not dependent on others. You do not want to break the marriage, but circumstances are not allowed.
Right.
Yes.
So, sir, even when we saw that because the Lagna Lord also is on a very, it's not on a very good axis, not on a very beautiful axis, that is
from
why,
Jupiter, from dispositor.
From dispositor.
Yes.
A very beautiful concept, sir. Thank you so very much.
Very easy concept.
Yes, very easy to understand.
Yes.
Very.
But do not misuse it. Why? Because you will not have 100% good marriage.
Sir, but that nobody does. Even Ramchandra ji did not have it.
Yes. So that is why you have to accept it.
Thank you.
Only see whether you will carry on your marriage or not. For other things, whether a happy marriage, unhappy marriage, duration of marriage, that we will learn in our full webinar.
Thank you so much, sir. This is a very beautiful concept that we have learned from sir. If you want to learn more on the D9, we have a webinar, 2-day webinar of 2 hours each coming up with sir in the months of July and August. So if you want to register, you can always go to our website directly and register, or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Till we meet you again, stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.